I love chickpeas. I buy a lot of cans of chickpeas, and cans of chickpeas are expensive. You know what's really cheap? A bag of dry garbanzo beans. I'm gonna pressure cook them today. Throw them in. You can take a look around in there to see if there's anything nasty. No, there never is, ever is. A little tiny bit of salt, hardly any. Water. Give it a shush. I do the depth of my thumb, which by brilliant scientific purposes is 2 inches. Okay, there we go. That took about 6.5 cups of water, by the way, because I did measure. For reasons unknown, my audio died when I was making this. Anyway, after you put the water in, lock and load, make sure the pressure cooker is set to seal, manual pressure, high pressure, 28 minutes. You don't have to wait for this thing to come down naturally. I kind of do, because I tend to, because I got other stuff to do. So after it pressures, I'll come back and take a look. So I let the pin come down on its own. It took 19 minutes, just for everybody's curiosity. And then just give them up a stir, and they're done. These things they're tender. The skins are non-existent, like in tinned chickpeas, they kind of flake off. They don't here. So I just pull these things out of the pressure cooker, throw them in a strainer, let them strain for a while because I want them pretty dry. And then when they're still warm, I divvy them up into Ziploc bags. These are 1 quart Ziploc bags. I get 4 of them for the 70-cent investment of the pound of chickpeas. This is really good. You need to make these. They're fabulous.